What's up, guys? I'm back here with another video, and today I'll be talking about Lendconnect, Spacemining, Garage lending platform. Now, a few days ago, Lendconnect came out with some few updates, okay, and there was a preview on the exchange, the internet exchange, okay, and it looked so cool. I couldn't make a video, sorry about that. So I I missed I made you guys miss out on that. Okay, but in the next 14 days, the internet exchange should be up. Okay, currently the price of Lendconnect coin is $5.84, which it's just the perfect time to get in if you actually want to get in. Now remember, whatever I'm sharing right now is no financial advice. I'm not financial advice, or whatever I share is basically my own opinion. Okay, what I'm actually doing, I just want to share with you guys my journey. Okay, so whatever decision you take, you are responsible for it. So if you think you want to get into Link Connect, I have my link below this video. Just click on see more. You should be able to find my link. Okay, just a way of you supporting me if at all you want to get into Link Connect. All right, I really appreciate that. And for those of you who have signed up using my link, I really appreciate what you've done. I currently have 4 persons, even though they haven't invested into the platform yet. I still appreciate it. Okay, so aside that, I also want to show you guys something that Lendconnect have done. Okay, so they have activated their automated reinvestment, meaning you don't have to be online to come up and start reinvesting each time. All right, so anytime I make $10, is going to reinvest automatically. I don't have to be online for that to be done. That is okay. That's a very cool feature. Okay, something that I don't think is okay, the learning other learning side and I know about. Okay, so it is something really cool. Aside that, I see they haven't paid for yesterday, and it's not yet time anyway. The next couple of hours, 6 8 hours, I should receive my pay for 30th. The last one I received was 29th, which was 2 days ago. The one for yesterday will be coming in some few hours from now. Okay, and I should be able to make a reinvestment. Right, I'm thinking about adding like $100 to make it $200 something. I already placed my orders on coinexchange.io. I have some few coins right here. I'll be purchasing more because the price is currently down. Okay, so I have some open orders. I have one for sale and one for buy, just one token. I want to sell and buy at lower rates. Okay, so aside that, the other thing I want to show you guys is that they've changed the front end, okay, which looks more professional and cool. I should use the word. Okay, so you can see that this front end is looking really different. You can go through it and see what's going on there. All right, the other thing I want to show you guys is Pagares. Pagares is a learning platform I got in 6 days ago, and I was able to get the coin at $2. Currently it's $2.25. Okay, and they've been paying consistently in the last 6 days, and so far I have $8 some cents. Okay, $8.50. Okay, I don't know if I'm going to be reinvesting to this or just pull out. I don't know yet. Anyway, so that's it for Pagares. Okay, below this video you'll find links to them if at all you want to join. Okay, remember the whole of this platform comes with their own risk. Okay, these are high risk investments. Okay, they can decide to disappear anytime. So anyway, so the other thing I want to talk to you guys about is space mining. Space mining has refused to pay, or they've stopped paying. My last pay was on the 28th of January, pardon, and my last withdrawal, which I initiated, was 29, and it's yet to go through. It's still pending. Okay, you can see it right here that it's still pending, and is over 3 days. Is yeah, today is the third day now, and it's still pending. Okay, so guys, for now, not just for now, just stay away from space mining. All right. So the other thing I want to talk to you guys about this. If you want to get into Lendconnect, okay, and you don't know how to buy your coins, all you need to do is come over to Coin Exchange and go to market. After the funding your account, okay, you just come to balances, okay, and find your Bitcoin. Click on option, uh, actions. My network is a little bit slow today. I don't know why. So you click on actions, click on deposits, copy this address and copy your address and send to it. Okay, and then you head over to market. When your transaction is completed, head over to market, and you should find you can see it right here, LCT, which is Lendconnect coin, and then that's it. Here you can make your purchase. Click on buy. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click thumbs up and turn up your notifications to make sure you receive alerts anytime I post a video. Bye.